Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a card with PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, find the Wallet or Bank and Cards section on your dashboard. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Then, simply click on the option to link a new credit or debit card. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll need to accurately input your card details. Carefully type in your complete credit or debit card number. Then, enter the expiration date and the security code, which is usually 3 or 4 digits long. It's crucial to also confirm that the billing address you provide exactly matches the address associated with your card for successful linking. To verify your card, PayPal will make a small temporary charge, usually less than $2. You'll need to check your card statement, either online or through your bank, to find a unique 4-digit code associated with this charge. Once you have that code, return to PayPal and enter it to complete the verification process. The charge will then be refunded. Congratulations! Your card is now successfully linked and ready to use with your PayPal account. When making purchases or sending money, you can simply select your newly added card as your preferred payment method. This provides a secure and convenient way to manage your online transactions, giving you peace of mind with every payment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.